I am not good enough. Will I be able to clear the interview? I am so bad at it. I am not capable of doing this. I am good at nothing. Why I am so ugly?
Each one of us has experienced self doubt at least once in our lives. Healthy self doubt helps us to reflect ourselves and encourage ourselves to do better. But as we all know, anything in excess is harmful. Excessive self doubt is when we cannot see anything good in ourselves and lack motivation. That is when it becomes unhealthy. Self doubt can arise because of various causes. Some of them are anxiety, depression, lack of confidence, low self esteem, procrastination, comparison with others, failures, and much more. When we realize that self doubt has started consuming us, just shut the inner unhealthy voice. Because what happens is, for instance, if I repeatedly think that I'm good for nothing, I'm not good enough to accomplish this or that task. What will happen is the more I think these kind of thoughts, the more these thoughts will get embedded in my mindset and gradually become a part of me. This is why I start believing it more. But the main point is how to stop them. We all know it is not as easy as it seems to be, but it is not impossible, right? So, today I'll share 6 ways with you guys which can help you to deal with thoughts of self doubt. First, shifting perspectives. Sometimes we may feel stuck in our thoughts and it seems impossible to get out of it. What to do? Take a moment and relax and focus your attention somewhere else that is completely different to what your thoughts were on. This will help you to see things from a new perspective. Second, remind yourself of happy and successful events from the past. Cherish them again. Third, take small steps. Self doubting is a sign of low self esteem and low confidence. To boost them up, start by taking tiny steps. This will help you boost your confidence in yourself and your abilities. Fourth, practice self compassion and self talk. Don't constantly keep judging yourself. Seeking perfection and having higher expectations all the time from yourself can let you down again and again. Be kind to yourself and have positive self talks. Introspect. Using affirmations like I can reach my goal, I deserve to be happy, etc., can be very helpful. Build trust and love with yourself. Connecting with good people and most importantly ourselves is the best way to fade away self doubt. Don't be harsh on yourself by comparing yourself with others. You are beautiful and unique in your own way. Fifth, sharpen your skills. For instance, if you doubt about your cooking skills, then learn more about it. Read more books. Watch videos related to cooking. But remember not to beat yourself about it. Celebrate the small steps and small wins in the journey. Sixth and the last one. Rethink what failure means to you. Failure can be really heartbreaking at times, but don't be afraid of them, as they are the path to success. Learn from your failures and accept them as the part of this journey. I am good enough and I believe in myself. I can clear the interview if I work for it. I am capable of doing this. I am good at many things. I am beautifully and wonderfully made. I hope that these ways were beneficial to you in some or the other way. And that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, comment and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and bye.